All right, another benefit of ceramic coating is this is a SB3 Omega. It's their 2-year coating. Take a look at this trim. Okay, so you notice how faded this trim is. Another benefit of ceramic is it will darken faded trim. And so rather than using a trim restorer, what we'll use is we'll put whatever ceramic we have out typically. And you can see, I mean, you can see that difference. And this has UV protection. The reason these side skirts are faded is, you know, sun exposure and exposure to the elements. And ceramic coating has UV protection in it. So it's going to be able to sort of restore the color to this trim. And it should stay like that for much longer than if you use a typical trim restorer.